This is the Randi Rhodes Show on 960 KNEW and online at 960knew.com.
Hi, and welcome to the Republican Healthcare Options Assistant Line. My name is Reinhard. How can I help you?
Yeah. It isn't a helpline for that Obamacare crap, is it?
No, not at all. This is a phone resource for those who are brave enough to duck Obamacare and take advantage of the healthcare options being offered by the Republicans. Are you looking for a health plan for just yourself, sir?
Well, there's also my wife and my cousin.
Okay, 3 people in all.
No, my wife and my cousin are the same person.
Of course. Silly of me. Been getting a lot of that lately. GOP base and all. Hey, how old are you?
30-something.
Now. You can tell me. It's all confidential.
No, I'm actually giving you my best guess. 32,
okay.
35.
Good. You qualify for our Republican Gold Plan.
Oh, what's that?
If you become ill or injured, you'll be placed on Megyn Kelly's show on Fox News to describe how Obamacare is not working for you. Doesn't that sound nice?
Well, what if I can't afford the Gold Plan?
Same thing, but we bump you to Sean Hannity's show.
I better go with the Gold Plan. Does this cover maternity care? Just curious.
Why, is your cousin your wife pregnant?
Usually is, yep.
Right. Well, we'll get you signed up right away. And thanks for choosing Republican Healthcare. One more thing. Do you have any interest in our ex-gay therapy program? It works wonders. Let me tell you.
I can tell.
I wonder if Rafael Cruz and the Colorado Family Values Association, the American Family Values Association that focus on the family people, I wonder if they would be pro gay therapy coverage in Obamacare, like the Exodus plan, well, since mental health care coverage is included, if they drive you crazy by telling you that you weren't born that way, then you could get mental health care coverage after the whole damage is done. But you know what? Just a brief moment on Obamacare. If the GOP repealed Obamacare, 137 million Americans would get cancellation notices. Did anybody ever explain that to you? Did anybody ever tell you that that's the fact? Did anybody ever tell you that we're saving $109 billion a year by doing Obama? Well, you may not be interested in those numbers, but this was a great email I got from Bob, who lives in California. Bob says, first off, use this email as you wish. All right, Bob, I will. He said, I wanted to share with you my situation and how Obamacare is saving me $10,000 per year on health insurance. I am 60 years old and have had chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia for over 10 years. Those are hard things to have because no one knows what to do about those things. He said, I had to stop working after 25 years in civil engineering. I considered applying for Social Security disability, but learned how unbelievably difficult it is to get SSI with my conditions. So I opted to pay out my COBRA, then buy health insurance on the individual market and live as cheaply as I could between then and when I can get Social Security at age 62. Because of my illness, the best plan I could get only covered 50% of my expenses, called the HealthNet Sim Value 50 plan, and cost $910 per month.